Hi, this is the Xiaomi 13T Pro and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. Let's just open the control panel and we should find here somewhere scanner icon. Just tap on it, click to agree. Only this time, for example, now we should place our QR code inside of the frame. Let's do this. Wait a second and be sure that you're connected to the internet. Now just you could see here the link of the QR code, so tap to go to the website and and we could see that we just successfully activated, we just successfully opened our QR code. Also you could find here from here the applications in tools folder, the scanner app, and by the same way just tap on it, place your QR code inside of the frame and just to go to the website directly. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.